Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and install NordVPN on iPhone, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the App Store icon on your home screen. Tap on the App Store icon to open it. Once the App Store is open, look for the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type NordVPN into the search bar and press search. In the search results, find the NordVPN app from Nord Security. Tap on the NordVPN app icon to view its details. On the app page, locate the Get button and tap it to initiate the download. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID to confirm the download. Wait for the app to download and install onto your device. Once the installation is complete, tap on the Open button to launch NordVPN. You'll be prompted to log in to your account. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up to create one. Fill in the required information to create your NordVPN account. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard of the app. To connect to a VPN server, tap on the large power button in the center of the screen. Select a server from the list or choose a location on the map. Wait for the connection to establish. This may take just a few seconds. Once connected, you'll see a key icon at the top of your screen, indicating you are protected. To disconnect from the VPN, simply tap the power button once more. Explore the settings to customize your VPN experience according to your preferences. You have now successfully downloaded and installed NordVPN on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.